What up, and welcome. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. This is a continuation of a series with the name 5-Minute PHP, where I help you to understand and master PHP in small 5-minute video. Without wasting time, let's continue. So last time we ended up on assigning a number to a variable and adding those numbers. So let's comment that. Let's just, since we are in numbers, let's just work on mathematical operations. So now that we were working with numbers, what we did, we only did an addition of numbers. That means we were adding the numbers. What else can we do in PHP? We can subtract the numbers and then we display the number on screen. I hope you can see we are assigning 21 to this variable, and then after that we are subtracting from that variable. We are subtracting 9 and assign all of that, the answer, to this variable, and then we display it. Let's see. Obviously the answer is 12. Okay, so that means we can also here this was a subtraction. Let's check the division so that we can divide by 2. So this is what you use for a division. It's a forward slash sign. Let's divide whatever number by 2. What number is it? Will be 20. So let's run it and see. 20 divided by 2, it's 10. Quickly do the last one, multiplication. We multiply numbers. Let's multiply 20 by 2. What do you use for multiplication? You use an asterisk or a star, this star, to multiply 20 by 2. Let's check the answer. It's 40. Okay, now what we are going to do, I'm sorry for the bad sound that is coming out from my background. This is something that I can't control. Maybe a neighbor is working with a drill or something. I apologize for that. So let's continue. Now let's talk about data types. Okay, in any programming language, as you might have seen, that I've been talking about strings, I've been talking about numbers. So in programming languages, or in software development, we've got data types. What are data types? If we've got this variable, let's say it's number, the computer will reserve a space for us to save something on this container, which is the container is number, right? Yes. However, if we are saying container is equal to Matthew, what type of information, what type of data are we saving into this number? That type of data is a string. That means we can say that it's words. Or what do we mean in programming language by a string? A string, it's a data or a content inside, maybe a variable or wherever, that you are not interested in performing calculations with. There won't be any time whereby you're going to say Matthew plus 5 is equal to 16. That's not gonna work. So when you are saying this data type, it's a string, it will mean that you are not interested in calculating with it. You will only use it to display. We can only display information with strings. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msingati, and this is the end of this video. If you feel like these videos are adding value to your overall understanding of PHP, please subscribe. See you in the next one.